Hi guys, we are about to leave.
We're about to leave.
Feeling so excited.
Yes, we're waiting for Lauren. She's just getting her bags, I guess.
Where's Lauren?
We were supposed to
Ready to go like half an hour ago. Say hi, are you excited? Yeah. Yay! Guys, we're like driving up to the woods, but it's like genuinely scary.
Yes, look at this.
They're all so cute. Aww.
There's no pillows in the cabin, so I'm bringing my giant
pillows? No.
Yes, I'm bringing my giant bear from my car because I didn't bring a pillow. I don't think any of us brought a pillow because we all thought there was gonna be pillows. How do they only have one backpack? We literally have like 2 or 3. Yes. Oh. Oh. Yes.
Hi guys, we're here in cabins. Flipping it around, hold on. Yeah. Where's Nona?
Bathroom tour. Wow.
Wait guys, we have to live a little ratchet though.
Yeah, I've seen worse.
Okay, vlog. We're all really hungry and we want to go get Culver's, and Shale just like came in our room and was like, "Guys, let's get Culver's." Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Why do you all got glasses on, bro?
It's more fun, man.
Hey.
Claire, Kai, and Eve.
Oh, what? Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog, guys.
Yo, what's
Harper.
good? What's up, vlog? Taos team right here.
Taos team. Dunker, how do you feel about this activity?
Feeling great. I'm really excited for the rest of the night. We got here a bit late, but it's fine. Still having a good time. We're editing TikToks right now.
Yeah.
When I snap my fingers, you'll forget that you were ever gay.
Okay. No, we got another.
All of a sudden, you're not as hot as I thought you were.
Okay.
Walk across that log.
I'll do it.
Is that something crazy? So down.
Oh my gosh.
No. He's at the point where if he falls and he jumps forward, he'll be fine.
Oh yeah. Yeah, he's getting there.
So I like do it, man. Jump from there if you want. Yeah. Holy shit.
Hey.
Nah, you do not need to come back. That is like a
Oh.
How hard up is that, bro?
Oh my god.
I was thinking of Yosh. It was fucking flatter.
Well, I'm abandoned. I don't know. They all ran through the woods and down to the lake. But I didn't want to get scraped up by a bunch of sticks. Okay, I'm walking down now. I think I see them. Where do you see them?
Oh god! Do not touch me! Ah! Oh my god! No!
Catch it! Catch it!
Oh! My couch is cramped.
Over quarantine, we have one coach who just always take us to run flag football every day in quarantine. Oh my gosh.
Alright, what did you guys do?
We were on the hood. Milan tried to like get in front of my car and get on the hood.
It's like right by him. We can look at
Okay guys, we just finished our bingo board activity. Now we're gonna be going to the beach. But it's low-key a little rainy, but that's okay. We're still gonna stop now, so it's okay. Wait, what? It's low-key like a lake. It's what? Like, I think it's not really like beach vibes. This shit was frigid!
guys, we're here on the lake.
Yes.
We got everybody here, all the girls.
It's so cold.
It's absolutely
But it's
we're
like really
It's literally like an ice bath. There's all the boys in the back, plus Nona. So cute. Yes.
Are you kidding?
That is the
Oh, I'm saying, guys. I'm saying.
That's like double the amount of them.
Wait, no, but.
Wait, what's going on?
Oh, I forgot that.
Yo. This first one is a two-legged race.
Get one big. Sorry.
Go Team Nona. Go Team Nona.
Team, no.
Go Team.
Tight.
Oh my god, it's so tight. When I can just like take it off and put it back on. Just get your feet out. Put out.
I'm sorry.
Go!
Come on! Get up! Go! Yes! Keep going! If the sunglasses fall, I got it. Go! Go! Come on! This! Go! Oh! Yes! Go!
You guys freaking lost.
Next game,
Y'all lost.
Hey, whoa!
Whoa.
Yo, there's beef right now. Wait. Before I'm done, someone check so they know I'm not cheating.
You're good, bro. You're good. Trust.
Please don't. Go left. Oh, I'm so cooked.
We're shooting for a video. No, we got you, bro.
Wait, so are we doing that?
No, 3, 2, 1, go!
Can't touch her. Lila.
Straight, hard left.
Yep. There you go. Go.
You were sprinting, bro. Dude, you cannot see anything, bro.
Right.
Oh, fuck.
Literally just go into.
3, 2, 1, go! Straight at me. Follow me. Got it. Right. Outside. Got it.
Yo!
Bro, who's saying right?
Oh, left. My bad. Thank you.
Hey.
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
The
Let's go,
goal.
You're doing so good.
You got it,
Push
Lila.
me in.
How would you do this, bro?
Yosh, right here.
Yosh, just go. Yosh. Timmy. Keep going.
Yeah, go.
Oh my god.
Go.
How ready are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
So ready. Easy win. Already got it in the bag. Just give us the point at this point.
3, 2, 1, go!
Straight.
Run! Go! Bro, keep up.
3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, Watch out, boys.
Bro, why is he on the ground? How cold was the water?
Not that cold, actually. It's freezing.
3, 2, 1, go! Come on, Marco. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go! 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 Go!
No!
No!
Come on, one more! Go,
Oh my gosh.
6.
Dude, I counted myself at 10 and Harper said 6. I was like, what?
Go!
One more.
10, go!
Yo, bad spins are brutal.
6.
Yo, walk there.
Julia, run!
Drop the bat! Julia, drop the bat!
I was going twice for you are.
What?
Come on, Claire! That's the worst performance I've ever seen. No, John was like, yeah! No, let him cross. Oh, man.
Guys, we are in the car.
What does that mean?
We just did a lot of like.
revived after food.
I know. We all did so much physical activity, guys. I don't work out. Like this is like, did I win or did I win?
And she won, so.
And I won though. It was so scary. But yeah, we're going to dinner. Okay, update you at dinner. Bye, guys.
Wait, it's been like an hour and a half and we finally just got our food. Yes.
Oh my god. I'm not an actual
I've already like started grubbing. And then the guys are like, I don't even know what they're doing, but like they're really loud. But we have our girl table. We're gonna grub.
Is it filming? Okay.
Yes, it's
Hi
scary.
guys. Oh my god, I can't even see where I'm walking.
Oh my god, yeah, I
We're
can't
going
either.
to start a fire and make s'mores.
Yes.
And sit around the campfire.
This lighting is insanely scary.
I know, this is so like.
Wait,
oh my
guys,
God,
wait! They're running. They're just gone.
Where are we even going? Oh my god, I'm gonna trip and die.
Oh. Hello. I'm dead. Hello vlog. Good morning. It's the morning now.
I think it's the longest I've slept though since the beginning of friendship, so really exciting for me, but I'm still waking up.
Yeah, we were supposed to take a morning hike and that did not happen. Nobody was awake. So we're gonna go eat brunch now. Yes.
Served over mashed potatoes.
So much. Waiting for everyone to be here. We got Isabel and we got Nona. Okay.
It's just like, what is
And I got orange juice.
I have a giant sweet tea.
And I got a cappuccino with whipped cream on
Wait,
top.
yeah.
Really confused.
Lunch, dinner, breakfast.
Such a hard meal for me.
Lunch you can have everything. You can
Lunch reminds me of a dry chicken sandwich.
breakfast.
I always get
Also like grub.
Lunch is so bad.
lunch is so bad.
We got Bentley and Shale.
Yo, what's up?
They're trying to aura farm, but they're just not that.
Look at this guy, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, yeah. With his sunglasses. What has been your favorite part of the trip?
Favorite part of the trip?
The games, they were hilarious.
Who won that, by the way?
What about you, Leo?
I like the campfire. I like campfire.
The campfire? Wow.
My favorite part was hearing Leo's alarm go off.
Yo.
Dude, everyone.
Yash, 100. Yeah, Yash is comms.
How do you feel about this? How do you feel about this?
It's questionable. I don't know what I said. That was so funny.
Late night talks.
Late night talks.
Yeah, get into kind of wish you all night. Yash.
You're not the first person to say that.
Favorite part? Team Nona winning it all.
Yes!
Going up 3-1 in the series.
We are not choking like LeBron. We're not choking like LeBron before I even read. 3-1 in the series. Some slight
I liked the s'more last night. It was real good.
Okay, wait, that's a good one.
Yeah.
For me, I'd just say like the whole PC Olympics yesterday and like us just being at like the little beach area. That was really fun.
That was so fun.
Oh my god.
Yo, I'm so correct.
Wait, what?
10.
You're leaving?
Hey, they do.
11. It's too easy.
Okay, stop.
You gotta run up him.
12. No, 11.
Thank you.
I should stay in Europe, right? Should I stay in Europe? Okay. But like,
Okay, vlog, we're back at the campsite. I'm with the girls. The girls are gonna walk and then the boys are like hooping or something. Hopefully they vlog. I doubt they will.
What's the difference?
I don't know.
Oh, Marco just explained this to me. Oh my god, you're going so fast. Harrison, he's like the guy. Oh my god, Varun. Yeah, Varun's here. Oh.
I actually love canoeing.
I'm just not a.
Why are you wearing your pledge pin?
I'm a pledge for life. That's why.
Smile.
PPD. Pledge Ed. You know Vishak's going canoeing despite the fact that he can't swim. How do you feel about that?
He's got the life jacket.
Okay, I guess that's fair.
No drowning today.
Yay! They finally took off! Okay. Guys, what I think someone should go waterboard James.
yo, we're not.
Oh my gosh, we go
Hi guys, we just got back from canoeing.
Personally, I would love to stay one more night, but it's a matter. We're gonna take up a Mason Fondo.
At times it was not what I was expecting. It's very like free-flowing, loose game type thing.
This is the end of the vlog. We are going back after the cabins trip. So this was for our PCT cabins trip. We're the first people to go on this trip. On a count of 3, 1, 2, 3, PCT!